Hello, lovely learners. I'm so glad you are here. This is Mr. Piamensa, and this is Fante on Apple's Multimedia. In our previous lesson on simple past tense, we discussed the verbs that allow adding up the last vowels in them. In this video, we will look at some 5 special verbs that has a different application in a simple past tense form. This is Apia Mensa. I'll be with you shortly after this. I'm so glad to have you back. These 5 verbs do not follow the rule we talked about in our previous and first simple past tense lesson. Here are they. We have do, to arrive, ku, to kill, hu, to see, ko, to go, and lastly, to die or to fall figuratively. Now we start with do, to arrive. In a simple present tense, we have this in a sentence, wuduha ntam. Changing this from the simple present tense to the simple past tense, we will have wudurha ntam. Wudurha ntam. So this will not be doubling of the vowel. It will not be wuduha ntam, but wudurha ntam. Ebo kun aponche. Sending this to the simple past tense, we will have ebo kum aponche. Ebo kum aponche. This one will not be ebo kum aponche, but ebo kum aponche. Our next verb here is to see. Simple present tense sentence, we have muhu mamino. Changing this to the simple past tense, we will have muhun mamino. Muhun mamino. We continue with this. The verb is ko adwa kotakwa. When this is said in a simple past tense, we will have adwa kwar takwa. Adwa kwar takwa. A continuation. The last special verb to be considered in this lesson will be to. In a simple sentence, we would have osahin to akono. Changing this from the simple present tense to the simple past tense, we will have osahin tor akono. Osahin tor akono. So we've just added an R. In Fante, we say So let's take a short summary of today's lesson. The simple past tense of do will be dur. The simple past tense of kum will be kum. The simple past tense of ko will be kor. And the simple past tense of to will be tor. I know for sure you have really enjoyed today's lesson. Please, if this is true with you, kindly subscribe to the channel. If this is your first time here, please share the video and like. Let us have your comments on the channel as we react to them. But before we go, I have an assignment for you as usual, okay? Please try your hands on the following. I have 2 verbs, 2 of these special verbs we have just considered in a sentence. This is what you are going to do. You are going to change the following underlined verbs from simple present tense to simple past tense. The first sentence is kwesi kofie. Kwesi kofie. What will be the simple past tense of this sentence? Number 2, muhu da orokodono. Muhu da orokodono. What will be the simple past tense of this one too? Please try your hands on. If it will be necessary for me to do corrections for you, we will do that. Kindly let us know your thoughts on today's lesson. The name is Mr. Piamensa. Let us meet here on the channel once again. See you. Bye-bye.